to react quickly, or else you'll get slapped.
How quickly or slowly you react is called your reaction time. Kelsey of Incline Village, Nevada, sent us a way to measure it. All you need is a ruler, a chair, a friend, and this chart.
The chart tells you how fast you react. We found it in a book, but you can find a copy at the Zoom website.
Okay, here's what you do. Courtney, could you please sit on this chair with your arm resting on the table?
Okay. And then do you want me to do the chart?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I'll hold the end of the ruler so that it dangles in between your thumb and your pointer finger. And your fingers need to be 1.5 inches apart every time you do this. Now when I drop it, try to catch it as quickly as you can.
You're making me nervous. That's hard.
Ooh. All right.
So is the...
Let's see where you caught it. All right, you caught it at 27 centimeters.
Jeez.
According to our chart, your reaction time was?
About 0.24 seconds, which is the same as 24 hundredths of a second, and that's trial 1. So that's really good.
We're each going to do this 3 times, and then we'll discuss our results. So, Courtney, you need to do it 2 more times.
22 hundredths of a second.
All right, last one.
Okay.
25.
Okay, so Kyle, you're green. 10? 10. 14 hundredths of a second. No, let's try it again. 14. 16 hundredths of a second. 9?
Yeah,
It's like 1300. So I'm blue.
I'll do Kara, okay?
14 centimeters.
17 hundredths.
9?
About 13, yeah.
18.
19 hundredths of a second. And it's 18.
My pattern's kind of like Courtney.
It's weird because you did it with your opposite hand. I think it mattered what hand you used. Courtney and I are naturally lefties,
But
and Kara used her left hand, and she still did fast.
And right now when I'm using it, it feels stiff over here, but it feels loose right here.
Yeah.
I mean, it just feels that way.
I want to see what happens if you were to do it with your right hand.
That was like 12. I think.
16 hundredths of a second. 10 would be 14 hundredths of a second. Last one.
28.
24.
Wow, those are really close.
Yeah, it's like the last one just totally goes up.
Right,
On both of yours,
the hands
actually.
are different, but
Yeah.
that's just, they're just bound to be different.
This was the fastest reaction time, and it was 13 hundredths of a second. That means that my eyes told my brain that the ruler was falling, and it sent that message to my fingers, and I caught the ruler, all in 13 hundredths of a second. And if you look at it right here, Kara, your right hand probably would have been about the same as your left hand if you hadn't lost it right here on this last dot. So if you look at the reaction time, the fastest reaction time, which was the green dots, was me. The second fastest, which was the blue dots, which were the second reaction time, was Kara. Third fastest reaction time was Courtney with the pink dots. And if we actually measured in Kara's right hand and left hand, I already did the blue dots, which was her left hand, and her right hand, which is her dominant hand, was the yellow dots, and she would have came in about third.
How fast is your reaction time? Are older kids faster than younger kids? What about your parents? Come up with your own questions, test them out, and send them to Zoom. Yeah, that was really cool. Woo-hoo.